Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have VECHAIN the daily update. We will answer many things including if we are going upwards, do we have a buying opportunity right here? But before we begin, join our monthly subscription guys to get easy profits. Link is in the description down below. You can cancel anytime you like. And of course guys, you will get automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, videos and many more benefits. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto, check it out. Also check our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below as well. Let's see guys some important here. First of all, I want to start with the resistance and the support levels. So you can see that we have the 7 cents, 8 cents and 9 cents around there, 9.5 actually cents as our major resistance levels for the short term, for the short mid-term actually. But what are we having right here? We are having to, we need to hold actually the 7 cents as our support level, right? And you can see how difficult it is to hold because we are finding most of the times the 20-day EMA as a resistance level, right? So we need to see definitely if we can hold here, and we want to see if we can break the 8 cents again so we can make this as support level to cross and go even to 9.5 cents for VECHAIN. Let's go to the MACD. The MACD doesn't look good guys, but eventually we had a lower MACD right here, but we didn't hold the support level, therefore we went all the way down. Now what we want to see is if we can eventually surpass this resistance line. If we can do that, then it's all good. If we can't, then we will fall down further more than this bottom right here. So let's go now to the volume guys. You can see the volume. We had a nice little volume here on this swing high, but now it is collapsing again, it's falling down, and we had our peak guys momentum right here, and of course before when we had the impulsive wave, right? But now we are having a declining volume, and you can see that on VECHAIN guys. On the commodity channel index, we are not in an oversold situation. That is a little bit bad. And of course, the RSI is not in an oversold situation. I would love to see the VECHAIN right now being around here, around this area in the 4-hour frame. However, we can't go upwards, right? We can't think that eventually we need to go downwards from sure, right? Because all right, we might not have an oversold situation, but the price might go upwards from here. So we expect to have just higher lows here, and of course go into an overbought situation. The stochastic RSI guys, that I removed the SSL channel, you know that I removed the SSL channel. I didn't like that indicator on the 4-hour frame. Now it is on the stochastic RSI. You'll see that it is working like the commodity channel index on the RSI, although in its mathematical type guys, it has only the RSI and it is working only with the RSI, but it is more sensitive to the price action like the commodity channel index, for example. It goes quicker down, quicker upwards. It is a good indicator guys, just to combine it with all the risk metrics here and to realize that where are we, because right now we are not in an overbought or any oversold situation according to the stochastic RSI as well, right? Sometimes it follows more the commodity channel index, sometimes it doesn't follow other indicators. It is a good indicator, a great indicator as well. Let's go now to the daily frame. When we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, we usually have a buying opportunity. However, this doesn't happen in a very bearish market, right? What we hope to see now is a reversal to the trend and go upwards. We might see that guys, we might see that, but we depend a lot on Bitcoin. You can see now the RSI is near 30 and you can see the commodity channel index is below -100. We can't keep going down forever. Sometime we have to go into an overbought situation right here guys. I believe we can do it, and of course the MACD on the daily frame is looking a little bit awkward. I mean, it is going sideways. We can't decide whether we are having here a bullish recross and go upwards or a bullish bearish here scenario where the blue line will just keep continuing going below the signal line. So let's go to VECHAIN Bitcoin right now. You can see that we are in an oversold situation in the 4-hour frame. Therefore, what we need to do right now is to go upwards, right? We need to move above the minus 100. Let's see the RSI. The RSI here is near the 30. However, we are not in an oversold situation. What we hope for is to hold the significant support level right here. And of course, we are holding right now. The only problem is that the 20-day MA is a very strong resistance level, but you can see that we are moving a little bit sideways now. Maybe it is the right time to just go upwards for now. We are in an oversold situation. That is good for VECHAIN Bitcoin, but we are about to have a bearish cross here. We hope that we don't have, and we hope that we hold this support level right here. It's very crucial. Also, it would be great if we go above this resistance level for the MACD. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we had a bearish cross. It isn't looking good, guys. As long as we're having a bearish cross, we expect the price to go even down, but as long as we are holding this support line, we are fine. If we fall down, then we are not. At least the commodity channel index, guys, is below minus 100. The RSI approached the 30 but didn't go beyond the 30. And you can see that we are going all the way down. I believe VECHAIN can start a little bit to have a swing high against Bitcoin again, right? And here we have the SKL. It is wrong, guys. We need to have the VECHAIN. Here we are right now. Let's go on the 4-hour frame, and you can see a very strong support level holding the 7 cents. And you know we had some resistance levels, right? What we need to do right now is to draw the Fibonacci retracement I have drawn before, and I want to show you this, starting from this top right here, ending up, guys, to this bottom we formed at, let's see, the 22nd June, right? 22nd June, let's see the date. And of course, we need to hold now the support level. The resistance levels are this one right here, 8 cents, and of course the 9.5 we had before. That's how I found support and resistance levels, because when you draw, guys, the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, you find major resistance levels as the price goes upwards, right? That's why we draw from the top to the bottom. It is not necessary that we only find resistance levels. We might find support levels in this way, but mainly, guys, we are finding resistance levels. You need to get experience to see that one. So right here, guys, we are having the 8 cents, 9.5. You can see here on the midterm, it is a very strong resistance level. But first of all, we need just to surpass the 20-day MA, and of course go above the 50-day MA as well. The last time we did that was on 14th June, and of course afterwards, before actually, was in the significant swing high we had on 3rd June. And from there, guys, we are going all the way down. We are now near 7 cents, and you need to be careful because we depend on Bitcoin. Although VECHAIN Bitcoin chart, guys, is looking good on the daily, I believe that maybe we can outperform Bitcoin. And of course, we need to see now for Bitcoin if we can go to 35,000 Tether USD, or we can eventually go and above, because if we go above the 35,000, 36,500 is our next target, and therefore VECHAIN will surely go to 8 cents. Why not, guys, even higher, right? Because we formed now a double bottom, you can see here, and what we hope for is to see now a pattern like this, guys. You can see that double bottom. We need to retest the 8 cents, and therefore if we can break this and make this as support level on the midterm, we might go to 9.5, our next price target. But firstly, we have to make the 8 cents as our support level. 8 to 8.2 cents around there, guys, as our support level. And of course, holding the 7 cents is very crucial. For now, we don't have any oversold situation, but we hope for, sorry guys, we hope for to go even higher, to go into an oversold situation, or even not, stay here, guys, and eventually go upwards. On the daily frame, you can see though that we stand in an oversold situation. Therefore, it is very good for VECHAIN, and we can't keep going down forever. We need to see if we can have a swing high for VECHAIN as well, right? We need to see if we can hold the 7 cents and go even higher for VECHAIN. Bitcoin will allow us to do that if it goes to 36,500 or so. We need to see now whether we can go upwards for Bitcoin, losing of course the 30,000 Tether USD. You know that we are going all the way down. So these are our next price targets for VECHAIN. It is forming a nice pattern here, guys, and holding this support level is actually very good. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.
You gotta be